Hello everyone, in today's video we are gonna see how we can change the cover photos or let's say banner images of the website with the help of More Customers app admin panel. As you all know, banner images are usually the first image which you see when you land on a website, because these images take up a lot of visual real estate and often have text or content on top of them. They need to be able to accommodate all screen sizes, so resolution and quality are of utmost importance. So let's try doing the changes in the banner images with the help of our admin panel. First step is, in your URL just type your website's name /admin. You'll be redirected to the dashboard if you are already logged in. Under configuration, there is an option called customize your website. Click over there. In the next tab, your website will be opened. Here, make sure this enable editing radio button is turned on. Now from here you will be able to edit the part. This is the cover photo section. Click over there, whichever cover photo you want to change. Suppose if I want to change this one, I'll just click over here. So this is the space where you can add your image and you can check the visual of the image. Please note that the image should be in these formats: JPG, GIF, JPEG or PNG, and the maximum size should be of 1 MB. Now for taking an image from the PC, you can go for web image upload. From here I have already selected some of the banners. I'll just pick any one of from there. Suppose if I am willing to change this one, open it here. Here you will see how the banner image will look. Now same as we had earlier, if I want to redirect this banner image to any of the category, I'll just select the category. Suppose if I want to redirect it to women's category, and in women's category I will go with the shorts category and I'll just update it. Your page will refresh once and here you will see that the image has been updated here. So this is the way you can change the banner images. If you want to change the style of banner images, you can do that as well. We are having 3 types of sliders. Here you can check the preview of it. This is a height is bit low in this slider, and this is a different slider. You can check the preview and you can apply it directly. Here you can see the banner images I have added earlier itself, and now if I have changed this type of slider, all the banner images are shifted into this section. If I want to do editing, if I want to do sorting, see, with the first one I have done the editing part. Second one is for deleting. If I want to delete this banner, I can delete this. If I want to do the sorting, if I want to see like which banner should be placed earlier, so it will be done. But each time whenever you are making changes, the page will refresh. So these are the banner images. Third option is for sorting, and fourth option is for adding the banner image. If I want to add the banner image, I can add it from here. The same way you're gonna add it, and I'll just put it here. Now you can see the banner images over here. You can slide it out. This is the one which I have just added. If you want to change this one, you can do that as well. Same it is. Click on the edit part and you can change the image from here. So this was all about banner images. Make sure you are using good banner images with a clear picture quality, so that when any of the customer is visiting your website, he is impressed with the banner images of your website. Hope you all liked the video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.